Why aren't more people talking about Trismus? If you've ever felt like your jaw's playing tug of war, you're not alone. Trismus, or lockjaw, is when your jaw muscles tighten up, making it tough to open your mouth. It can be caused by dental issues, injury, or even stress. But don't worry, there are simple tricks to help. First up, the balloon exercise. Blow up a balloon. Easy, right? It helps stretch those stubborn muscles. Next, try using a mouth opener. It gently eases your jaw open, giving you more range over time. And if you've got ice cream sticks lying around, stack and place them between your teeth. Add more sticks bit by bit to stretch your jaw gradually. Got that pesky clicking sound? It's your TMJ saying, "Hey, pay attention." These exercises can help with that too. So, say goodbye to jaw pain and hello to freedom. Your mouth will thank you.